Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to publish course on BOGI Elearning platform. Firstly, click on Dashboard to sign into your account. Input your username and password. Click on Sign In. On the top right corner, click on Create New Course. Type in the course title in the first field. You can repeat same for the course log. Now, let's add course description. Type in short description about the course to be published. You can set maximum number of students to enroll for the course, but if you do not wish to set limit for enrollment, you can leave default value as 0. Select all levels for difficulty level. Select a course category. Multiple categories can be selected. Click on Upload Image to set course thumbnail or banner. Upload the thumbnail from your computer. It's optional to set all text and title of image here. Then, click on Use Media to upload. To set the course intro video, choose from the listed video sources. Now head over to YouTube to get video link to be used. Open a new tab in your browser, go to youtube.com. Search for course title to be used for the intro. Click on More button on the video, click the Share button to get the video link to be used, copy it and paste in the YouTube field. Now, it's time for us to build the course chapters and lessons. Click on New Topic to set a new chapter for the course. Click on the Lesson button to add new lesson for the new chapter that was created. Input title. Lesson content. Duration to complete the lesson. Click on Upload attachment to add course material. Repeat the same method for other lessons. Click on Upload attachment to add course material. Next, input what the student will learn in the process of taking this course. In the case of anatomy and physiology, the students will learn body systems, organ structure and function, cellular biology, anatomical terminology, health and disease, clinical applications, practical skills, and many more. Input the total course duration and the materials included in the course. Next, input all that is required to take this course, such as mobile phone, laptop, and a good internet. Disable the certificate features since we are not offering any certificate after course completion. Click on Submit button and wait for approval. Usually takes less than 24 hours to be reviewed. The course has been approved and we can preview it from the homepage. In order further to modify the course or add video to each lessons, get the video link from YouTube. Click My Courses from the top right corner. Click on the Edit icon. Scroll down to Course Builder section. Select the lesson to update. Click on the Edit icon. Select YouTube from video source and paste the link in the file below. Click on Update Lesson. You can repeat same thing to other lessons, then click Submit to publish the course. Wait for a little time for the course to be reviewed. Finally, the course has been approved and listed on the website. Click on Start Learning to preview the course. Thank you for watching our tutorial on the British BOGI Elearning platform. We hope you found it informative and easy to follow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. For updates and new tutorials, make sure to hit the bell icon. See you in the next tutorial.